Welcome to this technical guide on the Toshiba Portege. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Toshiba Portege can hold a charge and dies unexpectedly, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time or faulty cells. If left unaddressed, it can severely impact your productivity, leaving you without a functioning device when you need it most. To start this repair, you will need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a new compatible battery for your Toshiba Portege. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning the laptop upside down, locating the battery release latch. Carefully slide it to the unlock position. Using the plastic prying tool, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious, as the battery may still have a slight charge. Next, inspect the battery connector, which is located near the edge of the battery compartment. You may need to remove a couple of screws that secure the connector. Remember to apply gentle pressure, over-tightening can damage the screws or the plastic casing. Once the connector is free, lift it out carefully. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector, ensuring that it fits snugly into place. Reattach the screws to secure the connector, but don't over-tighten them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new battery, place it back into its compartment, sliding it until the latch clicks into the locked position. Finally, turn your device back over and power it on to check if the replacement has been successful. If everything works as expected, you've successfully replaced your battery. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider using your device on battery saver mode when possible, and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, as this can accelerate battery wear. Additionally, regularly check for software updates, as these can improve battery management. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.